Welcome to this video tutorial. We will talk about Photoshop tips and tricks and great hidden features. I am showing you my 40 favorite tips and tricks. So let's start. How to use layer mask. Let's start. I am taking magic tool. I am selecting this girl like this. This girl is selected now. If I do not want to see other people's in this file, I simply click on layer mask button. Now all other people's will be hide. The only girl is showing here. One more trick is I'm click I'm going one step back. The girl is selected now. I am pressing Alt key and click on layer mask button. Now the girl is hide from the scene and all other people is showing here. If I press Alt key and then click on mask button, then the selection will be hide. Now the layer is visible with the layer mask. I can disable this layer mask with simply press shift key and click on layer mask button, and the layer mask is temporarily disabled. If you want to enable layer mask again, you can simply click on layer mask. Layer mask is active. One more thing, you can edit layer mask. Simply click Alt key and press and click on layer mask. Now layer mask will be visible here. You can do anything in layer mask. You can invert this like Control plus I. It will invert this. Or I am doing again Control I. You can paint layer mask. Color, changing color. You can paint layer mask. And if you want to come out from layer mask, simply click on the layer. You can see I done some changes in layer mask, and that all changes is reflecting here. So you can use layer mask with shortcut keys Alt. If you can delete this, simply right click and delete layer mask. How to increase and decrease your brush size. There are lots of ways you can increase and decrease your brush size. You can right click and you can decrease and increase your brush size. You can change the softness, hardness of the brush. Another shortcut is press Alt key and right mouse button and move your cursor horizontally. It will increase and decrease your brush size. If you press Alt and right mouse button and move your cursor vertically, it will make your brush smoother and harder. Another shortcut of increasing and decreasing the brush size. Press shift plus left bracket. It will soft your brush size. If you press shift plus right bracket, it will make your brush harder. If you want to decrease your brush size, simply press left bracket. If you press right bracket, it will increase your brush size. There are three ways you can increase and decrease your brush size. How to fill foreground color and background color with shortcut keys. There are two shortcut keys. If you want to fill foreground color, press Alt plus Delete key. If you want to fill background color, press Ctrl plus Delete key. How to put one layer into another layer. There is trick of doing this. Like I'm selecting this image and pressing Ctrl C and copy this image. Now coming to this image, I'm pressing Ctrl V, paste it. I want this image into this box. So if you press Alt key in keyboard and come here in the center of both layers, a cursor will change. Press now click one time and that layer will come into this box. You can scale this image and get it here. Press enter. If you do not want this image come inside this box, and press again Alt key and click again, it will come outside of this box. Now I'm coming to layer blend modes. This is normal, dissolve, color burn, lighten. There is lots of blend modes here. You can do almost all blend modes with shortcut keys. It is light. I am pressing shift alt plus N. It will come to normal mode. I am pressing shift alt plus M. It is come to multiply mode. Almost all keys, all blend modes have shortcut keys except 4. One is darker color, lighter color, subtract, and divide. How to change layer opacity and fill value? You can do it from here, or you can change layer fill value from here. I'll show you shortcut how to do this. Keyboard shortcut keys. First one, if you press 5, it will come to 50. If you press 6, it will come to 60. If you press 1, it will come to 10. If you want 65, press 65, it will come to 65. If you want 100, press 0. If you want to change fill value, press shift and press numbers like 7. I'm pressing 7 and pressing 9 and pressing 98. It will change your fill values. Next tool is quick mask tool. The shortcut is Q. You can select anything from quick mask tool. I am going to quick mask tool. I am pressing Q. It will show here quick mask tool. You are under quick mask tool. I am taking brush and decreasing the size, make it harder, and I'm doing paint on the body of this man. I want to select only this person. I'm selecting this. Right, I want to select only the t-shirt. After doing paint, you can come back normal mode, press Q again, it will come to normal mode, and it is your t-shirt, and this man t-shirt is selected. It is selecting outer part of this man. Currently, if you can see here, it is selecting the border of the image also. So press Ctrl Shift I. Now the selection has been inverse. How to copy and paste layer in one step, like I'm showing. Like you select this girl, I'm doing it roughly. Girl is selected. If I want to copy it, I will press Ctrl plus C, then I will press Ctrl plus V. It will create a copy in 2 steps. I want to do it in 1 step. Then how can I do this? I'm going step back, 1 more step backward. It is selected. I will press Ctrl plus J. It will copy and paste it in new layer, and it will copy and paste it in new layer. If I want to cut and then paste it to new layer, then I'm going step back. Now the layer is selected. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus J. It will cut from here and paste it in new layer.